Hello everyone, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. Are you ready for Victoria Day sales? Learn how to maximize your profits by capping your discount. Because unlimited discounts can lead to profit losses if not managed carefully. Large shopping carts combined with a high percentage discount can become a risky game for your margins. Merchants need smarter control to protect their bottom line during peak sales periods. The solution is simple yet effective. Add a cap on your discounts. For example, offer 30% off but with a maximum discount of $100. This protect your profits on large orders. Capping discount allows you to control profitably, especially on those big orders that can easily erode your margins. So if you want to set up a cap discount like this in your Shopify store, watch this video completely. So before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips because more seasonal tips are on the way. So for setting up a cap discount in Shopify, I'm using Next Discount app which is available in the Shopify App Store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box, so you can check it out. So after installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Create New Discount. Now you can choose the discount code as the discount type and add foreign discount code. I'm adding a 30% off as my discount code with a percentage of 30 and a cap amount of 200. So this capping amount will make sure that the discount amount will never go beyond 200. Even if the 30% of our cart value is greater than 200, this cap amount will make sure that the maximum discount amount will be limited to 200 only. And you can also set the discount be applied to all the products or a specific collection or a specific product, and I'm adding it for all the products now. And if you have any minimum purchase requirement, you can set it over here. I'm not adding any minimum purchase requirement. So, and in case of customer eligibility, you can set it for all the customers or a customer having some tag or only on first order customers like that. And you can also limit the number of times the discount can be used in total. Let's say 100 here means this code will be available for the 100 first users. And you can also limit the usage of this code per customer only one time. And you can have some active dates from which this offer can start, like a start date, time, and an end date, time through which this code is active. Like if you need to plan or if you plan to run the offer through a month or a week or a 10 days of the Victoria Day sale, then you can set those timings over here. And you can also combine this code with existing ones like product discount, order discount, and shipping discounts. So after adding all this, you can save the changes. Now let's test whether the code has been activated. From the discount section, you can see that the 30% off has been activated successfully. Now let's test this in our online store. So I'm trying to buy a product of worth 234. I'm adding this product to the cart. Now let's apply our code here. Now you can see that the 30% of 234 has been applied successfully and it is a amount of $70 has been applied. Now let's test with some other products having a higher price. Let's say 5,000. Let's add this to the cart and apply the code. Now let's see that the 5,000, 30% of the 5,000 is greater than 200. Since we have set up the cap amount which is limited to 200 only, this cap amount will make sure that the maximum discount amount will never go beyond 200 and the customer will be getting a maximum of $200 only as the discount amount. So that's how you create a 30% off with a $200 cap amount in your Victoria Day sale. So while you're waiting for, grab the link from the description box and just check it out in your online store. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Also, please do make, share, comment and like. Thanks for watching.